Let's see what happens when we multiply two consecutive even or two consecutive odd natural number. To start with, let's take the two consecutive odd number, the very first consecutive odd number, 1 into 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Now can we write 1 as 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. Well, we know the identity of A minus B, A minus B. You remember the identity of A plus B time A minus B, and this is always same as A is square minus B square. 1 can be written as 2 minus 1, 3 can be written as 2 plus 1, and then we apply this identity. What do we get? 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 can be written as A square, which is a square of 2 is square minus 1 is square, which is same as 4 minus 1, and which is same as 3. Now this will be true for almost every consecutive pair of odd or even natural number. Let's take another example. Suppose you take next two even numbers, say 2 into 4, and the multiplication of 2 into 4 is 8. Another way of looking at it, 2 can be written as 3 minus 1, and 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Yes, and using the same identity, which is, okay, should we write that identity once again, which is A plus B times A minus B is equal to A square minus B squared. So, well, this thingy here is equal to square of 3 minus square of 1. So square of 3 is 9 minus 1, and 9 minus 1 is 8. Now if you will go like this for any integer, you'll find this always true. Let's take another example. Multiply 11 by 13. So what is the product of 11 into 13? 13 1 is 13, 13 1 is 13, and 1 14, 143. Just like the previous cases, 11 can be written as 12 minus 1, and 13 can be written as 12 plus 1. Again, the same identity we are going to use, which says A minus B times A plus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. So this thing here can be written as 12b squared minus 1 squared. That means the expression 11 into 13 can be written as 12b squared minus 1 squared. If we like to generalize this statement, we can consider any number, like in this case, which is in between these two consecutive numbers, say 11 and 13, that is 12. The first number is 12 minus 1. The second number is 12 plus 1. So the square of 12 minus 1 and 12, when you multiply 12 minus 1 with 12 plus 1, is 12 squared minus 1 squared. So we are going to generalize this statement. Any two consecutive odd or even numbers can be represented as A minus 1 into A plus 1. And their product is always going to be A squared minus 1 squared. And 1 squared is 1 only. So this is what justifies that the product of the two consecutive even or odd natural numbers would always be A squared minus 1. Using this property, we can find questions like, for example, let's take find the product of any two consecutive odd or even integer. Let's take 104 multiplied with 106. So this would be is equal to 104 can be written as 105 minus 1 multiplied by 105 plus 1. Now 100 and this is using the formula up there. This can be 105 squared minus 1 squared. So square of 105 would be, see, we can easily square 105, which would be 25, and 11 into 10, that is 110, and minus 1, so your answer would be 11024. That would be the product of these two numbers. Okay.